In this video, we will explore the FIS Mini Optical Spectrum Analyzer and show how it's a great tool for technicians to verify and troubleshoot WDM fiber optic networks. The FIS Mini OSA is full-featured yet simple to use, rugged and highly responsive spectrum analyzer. Once turned on, a network output signal is plugged in. The unit instantly identifies and measures the wavelengths currently on the network. This channel checker is primarily used to identify the specific different wavelengths on the same fiber, and individually measure each channel's dBm power in a wave division multiplexing WDM network. A 4-inch color touchscreen displays information in a bar graph, a 6 GHz line graph, and table mode. The technician can set pass-fail thresholds, and the unit stores up to 1,000 tests. Also, with the optional VIS 300 video microscope, this unit offers an IEC pass-fail video inspection feature. From the main menu, you can choose a variety of options. By choosing OSA graph while already having an optical signal going into the unit, the user can see the bar graph and the frequencies being detected. At the bottom of the screen, using the bullet menu, you can toggle to identify each frequency independently, or how many channels are being grouped between the A and B cursors. In table mode, the user can scroll through the individual channels that are being identified in their corresponding dBm power. For example, channel 35 at terahertz frequency 193.50, the dBm power is at -13.17. And to find the wavelength, select the column that has frequency, and the software switches to view the wavelength. Another great feature of the Mini OSA, the user can go into settings and change the channel spacing for the network you're going to test, 100 or 50 GHz. Also, the user has 2 power ports to choose from, the high power and the low power. The high power is between +10 dBm and -30 dBm, and the low power is between -10 dBm and -50 dBm. Here, on top of the unit, there is the VFL port, a port for the optional add-on video inspection probe, and the USB-C charging port. Then, there's the low power port labeled -10 dBm, and the high power port labeled +10 dBm. When the inspection probe is attached to the Mini OSA, the user can use it for simple end-face inspection and use the touchscreen to manually center the object. For pass-fail, you can highlight the bullseye icon on the side of the screen that gives the user the criteria for the IEC specifications for quick analysis. It is easy for the user to save the test by selecting the disk icon and naming the file. If help is needed, after pressing the Help Info icon, the user can scan the QC code with a smartphone, and it will take them to a page on our website that will have manuals and other information to guide them. The user can also call 1-800-5000-FIS. To purchase the FIS Mini Optical Spectrum Analyzer, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-5000-FIS.